welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that I look absolutely disgusting. Well, today I'm going to be doing my go-to makeup routine when I do my makeup, and I'm just putting on some chapstick here because I looked kind of gross. Here I am just clipping my hair back so it's not in my face the entire time. Next, going in with powder, loose powder, goes everywhere. And I am doing this to have a smooth base for my makeup. Trust the process. I'm just buffing it in. Yeah, this is gonna make my makeup last longer. Here's me trying to close it. Powder everywhere. Next, going in with some setting spray. Spraying that everywhere, and then I'm going to allow it to dry before I go in with primer. Once it's dry, I'm going in with my primer serum from Wet n Wild, and I am just rubbing that all into my face. Next thing, I'm going in with cream contour before. This cream contour stick is from Wet n Wild. I'm going in on my cheeks and then also on my forehead. And then I'm just blending that out with a stipple brush. Make sure to blend upwards. And then I'm going in and I'm going to blend it on my forehead as well. Here's me making sure to get that forehead nice and blended. Doing the same thing on the other side, guys, just blending it out. Next thing, I'm gonna be doing the same thing on my chin and my jawline just to look extra sharp, and then I'm just gonna blend it out as well. Make sure it's nice and blended. I like to do this before foundation because it looks a lot more seamless. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay, my favorite. I love it so much. Putting that on my hand, and I am just taking it with my finger, dotting it all over my skin. I do one side at a time, and then I'm taking my beauty blender and I am just blending it all out. The key is blending, y'all. I know y'all know this, but the key is blending. Making sure it's all blended. More blending. Doing the same thing on the other side, dotting it and then blending it out. Taking a little bit more because I didn't have enough in my hand. And yeah, y'all know the process. Blending. Here I try to make sure to not put foundation in that part because I'm going to be putting concealer and I don't want it to look cakey. Just blending it down to my neck, usual. And blending my forehead, just blending my whole face. Dance party, hey. Forgot for a split second. Oh, eyebrows. Taking some Wet n Wild powder and a little brush, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'll be back. Also, I'm using the e.l.f. camo concealer to carve them out. Here they are. Ooh. Taking the same concealer, putting it under my eyes, on my forehead, everywhere I need more coverage. Here I am blending out everywhere but my under eyes. I'm gonna give that a second. I'm gonna wait a second for the pigments to settle before I blend it. Here's me seeing how ridiculous I look. Here I am blending it out and making sure to blend upwards so my face looks nice and lifted. Putting that on my eyelids. Doing the same thing on the other side, y'all. And then I'm also gonna drag it onto my eyelids and make sure to blend around my nose so it's all seamless and nice. Here I am taking the Wet n Wild contour duo, taking the lighter shade and using that to set my under eyes and wherever I put my concealer. And I like it because it has like a brightening effect. Here I am taking a little e.l.f. brush and just kind of brushing it away, but also kind of patting it into my skin so it looks seamless once again. And I'm taking the excess and putting it on my forehead. Now I'm curling my lashes so I can put mascara and put my falsies on. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic to do one little coat of mascara on my eyelashes before I apply my falsies. My ugly face that I make when I do this is hilarious. Here I am trying to dry it off, and then I decided I'm gonna contour my face while it does that. So I'm gonna take the same contour duo and set my cream contour on my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, and my jawline. Next, I'm taking my favorite eyelashes ever from Amazon. They're in the style E9 with my Kiss Lash Glue, and I'm going to apply my eyelashes. Here I am picking off old glue. Now I'm just applying the glue, and then I'm just blowing it so it can dry because I want to make sure it's nice and tacky before I apply it to my eyelid skin. Here is me after successfully putting on the first eyelash. And now I'm going in with the second, blowing it, and then applying it to my other eyeball. Here's me realizing how good the lashes look. I love them so much. They're my favorite. Yes, yes. Then I'm taking a little dome dense brush, and I'm gonna use the same contour shade I use for my face to contour my nose. This, you don't have to contour your nose, but I feel like it adds to the look. Then I'm taking my favorite blush of life, and I'm putting that on my cheeks and blending it in with the contour and putting it on my forehead too because I like the way that looks. Here I am just putting mascara on my bottom eyelashes so they look coherent with the top crazy eyelashes. I'm taking a light shimmery champagne shade from a Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm taking it on my pinky and just putting it in my inner corner to highlight. Then I'm taking my Becca Champagne Pop, putting some setting spray on it so it's more poppin', and taking a highlighting brush and putting that on my cheekbones, my lips, and my chin. And look how much highlighter I literally put on my lips. Next, I'm taking a smaller, more precise brush with the same highlighter and using it to highlight my nose. Now I'm taking Nude Truffle by NYX, and I'm using it to line my lips and filling it in a little bit before I apply my lip gloss. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy, my favorite lip gloss ever. And now I'm just setting it all with some spray, and that's it. That's the look. Here I am realizing I had disgusting pit stains the whole time. Yes, my hair looks a hot mess, but there it is. There's the look. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.